our land. Every time they take food to our hand.
Chairman, these are the new receipts. The new ones. Yes.
This levy is to make the community better. If you don't want to pay the levy, you are looking for trouble.
Who are you people? What are you people doing in my house? Who is this person? Who are you? You're asking me? Who am I? Who you be, Seth? Yes, who are you? The owner of the premises you are sitting down? Asking me who am I in my own house? That's the man we have been looking for.
No, the man who defines this.
Oh, really? Fine. We have been looking for you. Looking for me? Yes, because you are owing this community a lot. Yes. Owing what? Yes, plenty money. You are owing this community a lot of money. Yes. When you came to build this very house, you did not pay foundation fee. You did not pay any levy. Yes. You did not pay to the progressive. You did not pay the youth. You did not kill anyone. You did not pay the women. So you are owing, how much is she? It's up to 100,000. No, 100,000. One seventy. 180. Almost 200. 200. I am not owing my engineers or my laborers. But we are owing the community. That's what we are trying to tell you.
Nigeria get the land.
Look at the way we are calling. Instead of cooling down, you are talking as if you have authority. Now, are you ready to pay us now? Pay for all the money I have spent in this house? DPO must hear this. Even the DPO. Even the Igwe of this community must hear this. DPO. Keep your place. Don't worry. Take it easy. Look at me. I'm an elder. They're angry because of the way you what? In my house? Come on, okay, it's okay. Come on, come on. Come on, okay, what? Don't do this, don't do this. Wait. Remove your hand, we can break you away. Come on, wait. Look, I'm an elder. Very soon to meet you. I'm an elder. As an elder, look at my grey hairs. Listen to me. You see, the youth of this community are very angry. They are angry that strangers like you have come into this community, bought all the lands and built houses without any compensation to the youth who are growing. They are angry with their fathers that their fathers have sold all the property. There's nothing to build on when they grow up. There's not even to talk of the one for them to sell. You see the anger. Now, they asked us to form this very group so that we can even begin to collect some levies to compensate the communities that are aggrieved. Do you understand? When we came here, I remember, we met some of your foremen, those people who are working here. Yes. We asked for levy. They said, the landlord, you are in Lagos. You are a trader in Lagos that you don't normally come around. We said, okay, this house is good for our office. They should allow us to use the house. Then we can exonerate this house from all the levies. They said, okay, they will give you the message. We thought that they are giving you the message. We're even surprised that we came here filming. Two alternatives. It's either we continue to stay here or we give you the amount, the bill you pay. If not, the youths are angry that all their fathers are selling all their lands. There's no land that they rule. I can leave you now. You do all this and go.
Before you know it will be going to just land.
In the night, the youth of this place will pull here down. Because there's no land for them again. They're angry with their fathers that they have sold almost all their land to visitors. So cool, go down as an elder that I'm talking to you. If not, we can leave you and go. You go back to Lagos. Coming back next time, your house is on the floor.
Who you want to arrest?
That is why I'm appealing to you. We have exonerated your house. We're even doing you a favor. So consider it and know which one that you are supposed to follow. It is everywhere. They have pulled down some houses.
Yes, plenty.
Go and ask.
Who you are? They talk, they call police.
Is that why they removed my car from my...
Sorry.
Even my shoe?
Sorry.
No, it was the anger.
That one, you go to call police.
Even my shoe?
Michael!
It's okay, don't... Put this cap on you. Sorry. You know, when you do this, they got angry because of the way. You know, if you have come quietly, you wouldn't have unfortunately for my own property.
Sorry.
It's alright.
You know that police will come, no best. Now that police will mention,
look at our receipt. Very authentic, very legal. So this thing has been sanctioned by even the government itself. But on one condition. after all this, I don't want to come back from city and meet you people messing my premises. I mean, give me some rest. It cannot happen. How can we mess up your house? I have spoken. We are already keeping. We won't even allow people to mess it at all. And whenever you want to continue to rebuild your house, because for some time now, no work has been going on. Anytime you are ready, you tell us. Give us prior notice. Give us information earlier so that we can leave. No, I don't need to inform you. Okay, fine.
Our guys don't do.
Accepted.
Our permanent site, na 3-story building.
It's alright. It's alright.
No, let me tell him.
See, before you come, self, we don't finish our own land.
We don't finish. We don't power relocate.
We are building a site. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. You see, all these things is when youth. That's why it's because of you. Of course. That was why I told you. Because of you. I said, do you know the youths of this village? They have pulled out some houses. Can you imagine? They are very, very angry. They said, okay, fine. If our fathers sell off all our lands, how are we going to do? Some have started even beating their father. But it's not your fault. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right, Chief. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Take care. Please, welcome in next time. Buy something for us. No problem.
Uju.
Are you going out?
Uju, I have to go to work now. I have to go to work.
I don't like your ways these days. You hardly stay at home, brother. You know you're my only brother. And you've forgotten I'm always lonely in the house.
Uju, how many times do you want us to talk about this same issue? Eh? I've explained to you that the nature of my work requires that I close late. Instead of coming here to disturb you late at night, sometimes I just decide, I just pass the night with my friends. Eh? I've told you all this before. Anyway, it's okay. It's alright. I'll see them at the office and talk to them to see if there is any way they can work it out in such a way that I'll be closing earlier. Or better still, even minimize the number of days I sleep out. Is that okay? It's alright, it's alright. Meanwhile, where's your friend? What's her name again? Ini? Is she back?
She's not back, brother.
Okay.
Brother, you're drinking too much. Brother, you're drinking too much, brother. I want you to be very careful, brother. Ikonu, please.
Uju? Uju? Between you and I, who is the senior?
It's you, brother. It's you.
Between you and I, who is the senior?
It's you.
You wake up every morning, the only thing you do is to sit me down and advise me as if I were a little baby. What's wrong with you? So have I become so useless that I don't know what I'm doing? Brother, I don't like your shirt. Brother, I don't like your knicker. Brother, I don't like your shoe. What is wrong with you? Would you be very careful? Would you? Be very careful. Nonsense. You know, sometimes the worst thing that can happen to a man is for your parents to die and leave your younger ones behind for you. This little this thing that I just took now, you're telling me I drink too much. Have you ever come to carry me from any gutter because I was drunk? Would you? Would you? It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. See, take this. See what you can arrange with it. It's alright. It's okay, it's okay. Idea. It's alright, huh? It's okay, huh? By the way, have you heard from your guy?
Okay, yes. He always calls.
Okay, okay.
Asked after you. He said he's not in Malaysia.
Malaysia, quoi? When I come back, we'll have to sit down and talk about this. Let us discuss this boy's matter very, very well. I don't think I'm enjoying this anymore. Today Malaysia, tomorrow Hong Kong, the other day it was China. You know these boys who claim they are abroad, that's what they do. They come to the village, tie one girl down in the name of marriage, then they begin to globetrot. I don't want that to happen to you. If he's not interested, let him say so. Then there are many suitors. You are a beautiful girl.
It don't happen.
Better. That's my prayer. Let it not happen.
Bye-bye.
Hey, don't understand the rainy season this year. The rain this year,
Madam, good morning.
How was the night?
Fine, brother.
Okay.
But I want to tell you something.
What? Listen. If it is about that useless idiot, that goat that came here to say that he wanted to marry you, promised me heaven and earth. Cheating! I did not see. That fool that came here, all of his promises, not one did he redeem. If it is about that boy you want to talk to me about, just go inside now because I don't want to hear it.
No, that is not about him.
Well, I'm listening.
Brother, I had a dream. I had a dream where you were fighting with somebody, though I've prayed about such a thing not to happen. Brother, are you sure you're not having problem with anybody?
Come, this girl. Are you sure the disappointment this boy handed to you has not affected your brain? You had a dream. So that is the reason you came to meet me here this morning, to tell me that you had a dream.
Yes, brother.
This girl. Why is it that once everybody else goes to sleep, you'll be dreaming? While others are sleeping, you are dreaming? The other day you told me you dreamt that Papa died. Papa that died so many years ago. So the dream that you dreamt that Papa died, is it the second death? He re-died inside the grave. Come on, go and cook, prepare something this early morning.
Mona, you know at times things are exposed through dreams. I'm telling you now.
Expose them. Go and prepare something.
But I'm telling you now, you're talking another thing.
If I come in there and that Akamu is not ready, you see what I'll do to you. Rubbish. The only thing you know how to dream is negative dreams. Why can't you dream that I was made the local government chairman? Or you dream another one, that I bought a jeep? Let me see you dream again in this house. You see what I'll do to you. Idiot.
Levy, everybody must pay the levy. Development levy, now we dey collect the levy. Levy, oh. Everybody must pay the levy. Community money, now we dey collect the levy. Many years they don't they cheat us for our land. Every time they take food to for our hand.
Stop there! Stop there! Stop there! Stop! You don't hear me. Stop there! Is it me? You don't hear? Take your time, oh.
My friend, would you talk to me?
Keep quiet!
Okay, talk to me with respect.
Come on, keep quiet!
No, just one man from you. If you one man from me, I go just give you anyhow now. The one man from me. Whenever I say, thank God, say I don't jam you today. One-on-one, face to face. They call you Nyabo. If you say go neglect me and my guys, I be go to choose those that are so-called apostles. Nyabo, make I just tell you, be one Nyabo. For this town, no just try also. Will you talk to your father like this? Shut up! I say, no just use mouth anyhow for me. You didn't hear me so?
Enya. What did they call you? I be Mabo, Nyaba. I don't know the kind of way. See the kind of way they answer. See, make I tell you the truth.
Come on, give me see. I know that. Come on, give me my okay. I will just use this to put your head now.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I know. Friend there! Come. Friend there!
Hey, Mabo. See, make I tell you the truth. Eh?
You see, all you and your useless apostles, you better warn them, make them no cross our boundary. Because if they do, now you go carry on. If they feel me so, now you go carry on. If you do anyhow,
Joko,
you go see anyhow.
Go. You did hear what they talk? You did hear how?
Dioba,
I won't make these three names they sound for your ear. If you dey sleep, make you dey hear Joko, Danga and Va. Be warned. No try that bullshit where we dey. You hear me, so? Unless you go see.
You dey hear us, so?
I'm talking to you.
I know what is talking in you, that's all. Come on.
You know what is talking in me? Make we dey go.
Wait till you go do.
If you like, think I'm from now.
Are you crazy? I go tell you this for you. If you don't open your mouth, I go.
Joko, leave this man. Make we dey go. Next time we go jam.
Reason I'm now, you no go do anything. You know say you no go do anything.
They feel me so. You no go do anything.
Make we dey go now.
Onyambo. Your hair go dey swell up. Onyambo. Chairman.
Good chairman.
Come on, take this thing. Take this thing now.
You dey craze?
I know what is talking in you. You see the open mouth, Abi? You see the open mouth, Abi? You see the open mouth, Abi? Eh? You see the open mouth? What's daily pose?
Joko, make we dey go now.
Come bring this thing there. See you. Call you chairman. You open body.
You chairman.
Come, take this thing.
Joko, make we dey go now.
Make I tell you.
If you like reason I'm, you know say you no go do anything. Make I tell you the truth.
Oh, Va,
what do you go do? You no go do anything. You know the fear face?
Va, make we dey go now.
Make my face they fear you.
Like,
Va, make we enter bush. Leave this man. Leave this man. Leave this man. Make we dey go.
You still look us, Abi?
Make we dey go.
You still look us, Abi?
Joko, come. Leave this man.
You still look us, Abi?
You don't carry
that small one.
Joko, come now.
We'll give you the level when we next start with jam.
So make we.
So
na bush. Yeah.
See as you stand the look.
The man go no say you don't jam am.
Nani Ogene, what is troubling you?
It's okay. I'm okay. Don't worry.
Papa, is everything okay? Please tell us.
Since you came back, you've been standing outside here. Why are you not inside? Ogene.
I said leave me alone. Can somebody use his head without you people interfering?
Now tell me what is troubling you now, eh? Ogene.
I said I am okay. Will you guys continue with what we're doing and leave me alone? Come! What kind of gossip? Come, go sit down. Let me use my head. So what is driving you? Love or what? At this stage? These urchins, these hobos, those vagabonds want to pour sand into an already prepared dish that I intend to enjoy. Mba! Mame. It will not happen. I will deal with them. Mba! Mame.
You know, it's not easy, girlfriend, you know, being a copper.
Yeah. Hey, it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling.
Well, I was taken to the Ministry of Arts and Culture, and they insisted I join the dance troupe.
Hey, that's good. That's your thing, remember?
Yes, remember I used to entertain us in the hostel and all that. It's your thing, go for it. That was in school. I know, but what about you? I'm actually with the road safety. Wow. My cousin will like it. What cousin? Frankie, of course. Frankie. How? My cousin. How? Well, to tell you the truth, girlfriend, that guy loves you a lot. In fact, he loves you so much that as I speak to you right now, he has a lot of things in his mind. Sophia, please, I beg of you, because stop flatting me. I know what to be flattered. Has he been calling you? Yes, he's been calling me, but come on, girl, don't box me. I mean, Frank is a nice guy, he's caring. I know, and he's way up there and I'm down here. But that shouldn't matter. No, come on. Come on, he's my cousin and you're my friend. You know? I know, but the class is different.
How long do I have to wait? Get me the food. Here. Oh. What is it?
Warming the food. Did you tell me when you left the house?
Oh, so when I want to leave my house, I have to get a young gong and beat it to let the public know I'm leaving my house. My feature. What I need is the food.
The food was ready. Now it's cold. That's why she's warming it.
Did I ask you people to warm it for me? Bring it like that. You should have brought the thing like that. I didn't ask. Whose phone is this?
It's the former.
The former? When did the former come back?
She came in this morning. What are you trying to do? You want to answer the call?
Why not if not?
You're not supposed to answer her call.
Because? Yeah?
Ifeoma! Come and answer your call, oh.
Hello? Who is this? Who is speaking? Major? You are major. I'm minor. Please don't call this phone again. Don't call. This is how you people go about calling people's daughters unnecessarily.
Papa, give me my phone.
Give you your phone. Don't your fellow girls call you? Why must it be only men? That's what you people go to learn. Where is the food? On the banana kitchen. No, sit down. Keep your seat there and sit down. Don't be afraid. That was the person who called you, Nolana. That man that called you the other time. How did you know him? What's his name again?
Frank.
Frank. There is another thing he attached to his name.
Major.
Major Frank. So how did you know Major Frank?
Papa. But why are you asking now?
No. Ifeoma, I called you. I said you should bring a seat and sit close to me. If I mean to quarrel with you, you know me now, I would have brought one stick or the other. Eh? This is talk, heart-to-heart talk between father and daughter. You know, it's normally they are very almost together most of the time. Most of the families, the first daughter and the father always think alike. They're always the best of friends in a family. You understand? So I called you. I didn't mean any harm. I want you to relax, talk to me like a father. I'm a man. When my daughter grows to the age of getting married, or that age at which men will begin to look at you, it is my duty to tell you what us men are. You see, including your father. Even though I try to do my own thing so that I don't hurt other people, they get hurt by coincidence. Do you understand? So I'm advising, you know, anybody can come and say, I am a Major General. Maybe a Major General in Boy Scout, or Major General in Man of War Bay, or Major General in some of these paramilitary things that, you know, people operate these days. But if you are sure, I don't know how sure you are of this man, Major Frank.
Thank you for the advice. But Frank is actually a major in Nigerian army.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa, he is.
Really? How did you know him? How? Tell me more. Talk to me.
Papa, he's very rich.
Really?
He's very, very rich. He lives in a big house, and and he's also very good looking, very handsome.
Of course.
Papa, he's the same person that rescued me from that stupid lecturer that was trying to take advantage of me.
Oh, the one you told me last time.
Yes, Papa.
Oh, he was the person who solved the problem.
Yes, Papa.
Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. You see, if a father is not always bad because he's strict. There is a difference between strictness and a father being wicked. Even though you people interpret everything as wicked. You see, my daughter, at times, you know, you people misunderstand me. You see, when you're grown up, I will give you a chance. Where I quarrel is when you want to set your trap. You set your trap on a route where only rats and animals smaller than rats. Do you understand? If you set your trap on an express road, on a very wide road, you are likely to get animals bigger than rats. Maybe antelope, maybe even elephant, which is good. I'm impressed very, very much. So talk to me more about this Major Frank. So when did you call him? Do you people exchange calls?
Yes.
When did he call you last?
Ever since we met, we've been friends. I gave him my number. I have his number. He calls me. We call each other all the time.
Oh, Adam.
Yes.
Adam Oma. I'm impressed. I'm very, very much impressed. You see, to tell you how impressed I am. Come. Yeah. Adam.
Papa.
If the man comes and he wants to call you, don't you ever get afraid because I'm standing close to you. Call anything you want to call. Forget that I'm existing.
Thank you, Papa.
You gotta go. Thank you. I like my daughters who go to hunt and then hunt and bring big meat. Not those who go there and they even throw away their gun in the process.
Everybody must pay the levy, development levy. Now we dey collect the levy, oh. Everybody must pay the levy, community money. Now we dey collect the levy. Many years
no,
they don't cheat us.
Don't take instruction for any other person, no.
Every time they take food to flower, you know what? People they suffer.
Come on, stop that. Hey. You here? They talk to you, they look back, God punish you there. I mean, you know the fear. Turn down fire, you ask who they ask that question. You be who? When will we talk to you? I say that you on the smoke. It isn't only on the smoke. No insult yourself here. No just insult yourself this morning. When did they give you mic? They talk to me anyhow. You bros, keep quiet. No point at any of us here. No just point anybody here now. Come, make I tell you.
What before I be waiting they call you? You don't think what they look for you.
How will be this?
Bro, shut up.
You don't see me now.
Shut up.
You said make who shut up?
See, just keep quiet. The best you will do now is to just keep quiet and take your last warning.
Who you the one?
Now you are the one. Or else I will personally bury you here.
What?
What you want to do?
Who you the one?
I say keep quiet. You won't go fight her. You won't go fight her.
No, they put you like that.
I go use them. I go use you this morning. I go use you.
Who be this?
See, what if you take your time? What if you say you go challenge me and my guy for this town?
Hey.
Right? You never hear of Joko for this town? Eh?
Joko?
You never hear him?
Who be Joko?
You dey ask me.
See, Joko na plantain. The fact that you removed the first letter does not change anything. Last, if I no fry you chop as quickly, I go fry you chop as
Joko, now you go fry. Danga.
Hey, Joko. Come on. Hey, what did that? Be on the
gun.
What did that?
Your head on the gun.
Come on, keep quiet.
Come on, go down.
Hey,
your head. Yeah, for ground.
Just say a word now and I will use this in bust your stomach. No, just come out to intestine from here. Say a word. I will just come out to intestine now. Keep for ground.
I see make your head go down.
Mad.
Why not tell me so now? Wholesome.
Come on, keep quiet.
I say make you no open your mouth anyhow now. I go just plank you now. Now me won't fly abi. Oh yeah, say sorry.
Which other sorry again? Not my hands they up so.
I say make you use your mouth. Say sorry now.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, call the name well. Pronounce the name well now.
Joko.
Because of God, I don't use this for you now. Just because of God. Oh yeah, get up. Stand up. Come on. You're mad. Come on, please. I go plant you now.
Get up from the ground.
This way. Now run.
Run now, you see the way. I will choke this thing inside your belly.
I say make you run. Move. The front.
After now.
You still want to try yourself?
No problem. Look at this man.
The man. Try for this time, we'll give you level.
If you don't pay the levy, you are looking for trouble. And if you pay the levy, not throw away your receipt. Levy. Everybody must pay the levy. Foundation levy. Now we dey collect the levy. Where your receipt? Everybody must pay the levy. Development levy. Now we dey collect the levy. The money's not for me. Everybody must pay the levy. Community.
Whatever we are going to do, we must begin to do it now and do it very, very fast. Because this matter don't pass, be careful. If you see what those boys did to me, hit me on the floor to the extent that Danga drew a knife. Just about to stab me like this. I'm sure it was God that held his hand back. They wanted to finish me off.
Are you serious?
Hey!
What is giving these boys these muscles? There must be something that is urging them, that is supporting them. If not, they will not have this courage. You know what? We're going to use our head here. It's not a muscle thing. We are going to plan on how to deal with these boys. If not, these boys will take over this business. I'm telling you.
No, but you're right. That's true. If you overpower us,
of course, now once they take you, they take me, they take...
that's the end.
That's the end, they take over this business. Now these small boys now want the plan for. All these boys now, they're too small to plan now. No be all these boys with the waka naked a few years back. Now this one won't come the plan for. What do you plan for them?
And they tell you, say people knock me for ground, nearly stab me. They say they don't fit do anything.
Now you don't follow do that one. They don't be trying with me. My friend, are you made of iron? I am trying to tell you, use your head. Let me use my head. Then we will now think of how to deal with them once and for all. If not, they're going to take over this business. The way I'm seeing it.
So, if they kill me, it don't mean anything. And when they kill you, it be something.
I want to kill you. You be like they don't know say they're around.
That means I'm not going to go assignment alone now. Anytime, may they send me and you.
Okay.
Since now you be voter.
No worry.
He even came back last month, although he didn't come to the house.
Why?
Because of Papa now. Because of Papa.
Oh, I see.
But Danny is now a big boy.
Easy. Yes, so.
He's very rich now.
Very rich.
Okay, did he ask about me? You were the first person he asked after.
Oh, poor Daniel. You know, I really like him. He's very, he's consistent. His kindness, his patient.
Yeah. So men are actually the real definition of a real man. That's Daniel. When is he coming back?
Well, I don't know for now. The last time we talked, he said he'd be leaving Spain for Germany in a week time. I don't know.
Spain, Germany, this country, that country, big boy things.
I'm so happy for Daniel.
I know.
I'm so happy.
I know.
Yeah, Ifeoma.
Welcome, Papa.
Yeah. Ifeoma, yesterday you were telling me something. I was in a haste, so I couldn't listen. You said you wanted to tell me something. You wanted to ask something of me.
Yes, Papa.
So what is it?
Papa, please, I want to beg you, please give me some money so that I can rent a very small apartment, you know, where they posted me to serve. Small, nice apartment.
Small apartment?
Yes, Papa.
I thought they normally provide the accommodation for youth couples.
Papa, they do, but it's very uncomfortable. But you cannot even stay there. That place is... No, Papa, please, now.
Ifeoma, this is not the time for comfort. Your national service is just to go 1 year, you go and do whatever you do for your country, and then you come back. You understand? Papa. So manage it. Papa. Manage it. Ifeoma.
Papa.
Has he called?
Who? Papa, I can't believe this.
I approve of him. That is why I'm saying this. Anybody I approve of, say this.
Papa, I'm even supposed to have called him so before he travels tomorrow, but I do not have any credit.
So your problem is credit to call him?
Yes, Papa.
Why didn't you tell me all along?
Papa?
No, I will give you credit. You just have to call him. Use this one. Run. Go and get credit. Yeah. Buy 400 naira own. Yes. Papa, or rather. Give me this other one. Buy 750.
Okay, Papa, thank you.
Or rather, buy 1,500.
Thank you, Papa.
Run. Go and call him now.
Thank you, Papa.
It's okay.
You see, you see how they tell my dress. No be small fight today. See, I swear I go kill those boys.
Wait, you mean Danga and Joko did this to you?
Yes, now. See, today I will burn their house. That boy is now when you go first go prison before. They never know me. See, I just come here and make a call the pot because after they come off from here, no be small fight.
Relax. Look, there are always many ways of getting the cup off the hand of the monkey. Do you understand? Stop disturbing me. Can't you say I have a visitor?
Hello, Papa. Hold on, darling. But it's Frank on the phone. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, hello. No complaint, all correct. Well, we're okay. And you? Okay. No. Any date you choose, any venue, will be fine with us. Yes. Thank you, Esprit de Corps. Thank you. Okay. All right. See you.
Sorry, you cut the call.
It was my call. You say you cut the call.
Sorry.
Did he call you? So relax.
See, this one will be relaxed matter.
No. I know exactly where I'm going. By the time we finish with them, you will know exactly what I'm talking about.
Good day, my young lady.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Is Chief Onyabo in?
Yes, he's inside.
Would like to see him.
Okay, wait, let me call him. Papa.
Hey, I'm done.
Good morning, Chief.
Palace guard.
Sir.
Hello, Kwama, how are you?
Fine, sir. Igwe asked us to present this to you, sir.
Is it back?
Yes, sir.
And he bought me a drink. Hey, London drinking Ebuko. Please tell Igwe that I'll be coming later to give him my own special thanks.
But Chief, you said you should come with us.
It's not possible now. You can see the way I'm dressed now. I'll be coming later.
No, Igwe was particular about you coming now.
Particular? Particular Motoni? Go and tell Igwe that I'll be coming later or something. Fine, go and find the Igwe and tie me and drag me to the Igwe.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
More particular.
Sorry, sir.
Hey, Igwe. I don't want.
My people, I greet you.
Thank you.
When I was away in London, I received a report that you, Onyabo, have been collecting money from various individuals, issuing the receipts on behalf of the community. I personally set up an inquiry to ascertain the veracity of that allegation. And it is confirmed. Here are the receipts you and your boys have been issuing to them. What do you have to say about it?
Igwe, it is true. Igwe, I came and looked at the community. I know that most of our boys are idle. They are not doing anything as it is. Most of them are taken to armed robbery, which is wrong. We go inside some of these bush, you find some of them are smoking in their head or planning robbery. And then the thought came to me, I said, why don't I give them gainful employment? Igwe, I now put this as a patriotic citizen who wants something good for this community and then this country at large. I decided to create an opportunity for them to be gainfully employed. Igwe, what is wrong in it? Those boys are working now. What would they have been doing? They would have been smoking gay and they're moving around.
Did you inform any of the cabinet members before embarking on this project?
Igwe, you see the people who are causing trouble in this community. They want every good thought. You present it to them, they will put spanner in our works. Those boys will continue to be armed robbers, which I don't even know whether he's the coach of some of these armed robbers. Because anybody who says our young boys should stay idle has something evil at the back of his mind. I, out of my magnanimity, said, let these boys, the boys are not complaining. The people who are paying those taxes or levies are not complaining. Why are people like Kosibolonko complaining? Tell me, why is he blaring like a drone on something that is good?
Onyabo, you have been giving receipts to people. Now where is the money? Because we learned that every building in this community have been paid for.
Yes, Judas. You see, you're not even listening to what I'm saying. You're listening to what I'm not saying. Because I have said that these boys idle away. Eventually, if nothing is done, they will become armed robbers. That one is not important to you. What you are looking for is the money. The money. Whether they are going to be armed robbers and rob everybody in this community, no, it is that money. People like you should not take public office because your concentration and your focus is money that you are going to embezzle. Is it not good that these boys are now coming out from armed robbery, from harassing, from becoming hoodlums?
Is that the right thing in the community?
We have a report in that office. We have in order to even make it legal, we have an office where anybody that comes will show you this is what we have, this is what we collected, this is what we have used it in for. Why is somebody trying to say that it is not right? Chalun can go manya call Bodama.
Onyaro, come next in Market Day. I want to see you and those your boys and details of your mode of operation.
Alright, Igwe, I will.
Igwe, I suggest that we handle this with caution, as those boys are getting employed.
Man, shut up! Shut up and shut up and shut up!
No Kojuku and Wensobu. It's not new for us. We are talking facts.
Let us look at the fact that these boys are no longer involved in evil, and we have peace in this community. Thank you. Let's apply caution.
No, Madua, what is your name? I say shut up! Stop! Don't say anything again in this council. What is wrong with you?
Let me tell you, because of the vehemence with which you are opposing this very thing, we said that we don't want these boys to be smoking in their hemp, and you are vehemently opposing it in a libo. You sell in their hemp. If not, you will not be encouraging it. Tell me why somebody should be saying we want those boys to become hoodlums, to be armed robbers. But if not that, it's either you want to be Alibaba and want to train 40 thieves. On in a libo. They call you OCC, Fana no says Ibo.
I want no Boda. Boda.
Oh, I am not all.
I got
we have a record there in that very office. If you people have come and said, get the records, I will get it. What office is it? More office is it? Where haven't you seen the part of that?
They go to the office.
To be honest, Igwe is so serious. So serious about it, not taking it easy at all. And you know, the thing is that he had the receipt of everything. And he probably knows how much we collect from each.
So we are now supposed to run into the bush because Igwe has the receipts.
No, that's not what happened.
No. Because I don't like the way you are taking this matter. I don't understand you anymore. No. You told me from the very beginning that this wasn't going to be easy.
Yes.
That we were likely going to face very stiff opposition. Threats from everywhere.
Agreed.
This is opposition.
Yes, now.
This is threat to our business. So let's protect our business. Waiting.
See, the only thing we know be say, both the Igwe and the elders, they cannot stop us from this business.
This one?
Yes. Let us all wait till down Kwade, when all of us will now march to that palace and see them face to face.
Not till they happen.
You know this thing that I have just dropped. Your reaction pleases me so much. You know, that is the spirit that you should have. If all of us have this kind of spirit, not the Igwe in cancer can stop us at all. None of them can stop us. See, Wabo, go and inform all our guys that this is the situation on ground. Let us see if they will have the same spirit. If they have the same spirit, you know they say, united we stand, divided we fall. If all of us have the same spirit, let Igwe come.
Let him come.
Let them come.
He better say person just dey poverty for a life dey there than say he come up for poverty go nowhere. Then when he don't dey there settle down, you can't call him. Say go back to poverty. Are you mad?
No, the chops.
Enough happen.
Yes, nothing mad.
Person don't say person disrespect Igwe. He get as Igwe go talk. Won't slap.
Wow, but I like the spirit. I like the spirit.
Igwe for your own business. Would they follow our own palace?
Ask me.
That's in a business. That palace matter.
What are you saying?
Okay, so
what are you saying? We know.
You don't go.
No, we go collect something. Not be house with you.
That's not for my mood. I don't do that.
For me, no shaking. I know they fear.
I'm so confused. I'm confused. Because I heard these guys abroad that they marry white ladies.
Oh, Jew. Okay. Has he been calling lately?
Yeah, but at times he will not call a whole day.
Would you? Everything lies in the hands of the Lord. Don't worry, he will call.
It's okay. So, let's talk something else. How is your mom? Is she still at the hospital?
Yes.
Or because of the money? How much remains?
6,000.
6,000. Is that why you're crying? Wipe those tears. Don't worry. I'll give you the money.
Would you?
I'll give it to you.
Would you?
Would you, God bless you. Would you, thank you so much. Would you, I don't know what I would have done in this life without you. Thank you. Would you, God bless you. Thank you.
Said, I hate to see you cry. I hate to see you cry.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. I'm your friend. Just get up.
Would you?
I'll give you the money. Don't worry. Don't worry. So, you go bring by your mom.
Would you, thank you. Would you, may God bless you. Thank you so much. Would you, I don't know what I would have done without you in this life. Thank you so much.
Igwe. Igwe, these are the boys I told you about. They were there when Onyabo was recruiting his boys. In fact, they have been monitoring him and all his activities ever since.
Interesting.
Igwe.
What is your name?
Igwe. My name is Joko.
Joko or Joko?
No. Joko.
Are you from which village?
From this town, Igwe. I'm from Akamowe.
Akamowe?
Yes, Igwe.
But I've never heard this kind of name. What does it mean?
Igwe, na name where they use your press. As in name, guy name.
Joko. And what of you?
Igwe na me be Danga. Danga, yes.
Yes.
Danga. Daga. No, Igwe is correct.
That is Ghanaian.
It's a Ghanaian motion.
Oh, yeah. You're welcome. I want you to tell me all you know about this.
Igwe, you see, this man, what they call Onyabo, he don't collect money from people they buy land for this town. Even the ones who they build. Igwe, we just keep quiet just because we hear say he travel. If not, we say, I swear, if we don't play this man, Tete, if we don't use him, just we hear say he travel, and make us just keep quiet.
Igwe, no be only that. The man equally talks say you will be Igwe why they see here at Korokoro. Say you are aware of this Jankara business, including your cabinet members. We even have problem with some of his boys working for him for one place where they are building new building for my own village. We quarrel. Our quarrel no be small quarrel, Igwe.
Why?
I told him that every of this in Jankara business, make him carry and they go your own domain, no be for my own village, Igwe.
It's alright, it's alright. You can go.
Igwe.
Mama, you know the doctor says you have to eat well so you could take your medicine.
Mama, Biko. Mama, eat something. Eat your food.
I don't know. She has refused to eat since morning.
Try and eat, okay? Biko.
One, where did you get money to help a poor woman like me? God will bless you.
Amen, Mama. Amen. Onye, you see, don't worry. You know she's just recovering. Maybe she will eat much later. But she needs to. I know. She'll be fine, okay? Don't worry yourself. Mama will be fine.
Okay, Mama, take water.
Igwe.
Can you please tell Onyabo to render account of all the monies that he has been collecting on our behalf in this community? It is long overdue. Or don't we have rules and regulations again in this our community? Are we a lawless society? Igwe?
You are asking us who? Igwe. I want to know.
Yes.
Accountant General.
Igwe.
Accountability.
Igwe.
Yes.
No, I want to know. Yes. You are right. Igwe. Ono is right. Onyabo should render the account of the money he has been collecting.
Igwe. Ndichis, fellow members of Igwe Council. Igwe, we know how we are in this community. And it's very, very obvious that there is something fishy happening. We know that we have meeting before the meeting. Yes. These three musketeers have done a meeting before the meeting. You can see the way they are howling. Igwe, it was you who asked me in the last meeting to present members of my group, which I have done. You people gave me time to prepare the report which they are looking for now. You said have some time. But this meeting, present members of your group which I presented. Now, nobody is even talking about questioning the members. They went back and they started asking, where is that? Which means what Igwe was talking was nonsense.
Igwe, we don't want to hear all this blah 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 he's talking about. What we are talking right now is Onyabo to render the account. Kia E.T.
Overruling Igwe's order to present my boss. That's exactly what it is.
Onyabo, I'm disappointed, honestly.
No, what?
No, I'm disappointed in you. I mean, I don't know why you don't want to tell Igwe the truth.
I'm telling Igwe the truth.
You are not. Tell him the obvious truth. These people want the Igwe to render account of his stewardship. It's obvious.
I was coming to that. You see,
it's obvious.
You cannot tell a man if he's going around down the street, somebody gives him dash. You tell him to come and render account. You dig yam and somebody gives you, maybe you're coming back from a harvest, gives you one yam, they say render account. Igwe, what they are heading to is you. Igwe, they want you to run, you know, people pay homage to you. They want you to render the account of all the things people have been giving you as the Igwe who rules well in this community. Because you know who is eyeing your seat.
Igwe, Onyabo should not use any foul language on us at all.
What would I use foul language on fouls?
You should not.
Make yourself a foul. I use foul language on you.
Yes.
Onyabo, sit down.
Am I saying the...
Onyabo asked you to sit down, Onyabo.
Sit down. Are you the Igwe?
I am the Onowu of this community.
Onowu Igbo.
And who are these armed robbers? These murderers that you brought here?
Get out! Get out! Get out! He said they should get out, which means...
Onowu asked you to get out of here. You get out!
Get out!
Sit down.
What it means is that they are overruling your order to present them. Which means that your order does not hold water in this community. Hello? Igwe, excuse me. Hello?
Yes. Nothing is happening.
They are coming to my house now. Okay, don't worry. I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon. Igwe, please. Oh no, is this your toy? Remove the battery, please. Let men talk. So they can shut up. Igwe, please, I have a teddy beer.
Teddy beer. If you say just leave this one. Just leave him and let's go. If this hand comes down.
Don't worry.
Igwe, say in the mic, if I raise this hand.
Sit down.
Many years they don't they cheat us for our land. Every time they take food do for our hand. You to know work. People they suffer. This levy is to make the community better.
Where are you going to?
I want to go and visit Tony, my friend, at our house.
Going?
Yes, brother.
See, I'm not asking you not to visit your friends, but I hope you have done your chores.
Yes, brother.
Okay.
Brother, wait. Brother. But I don't like what is happening in this village.
But the news is everywhere that you and Onyaba are collecting money from people.
Brother, Biko, I don't want you to be involved in such acts. Eh?
Okay. Is that all?
Yes, brother.
I've heard you.
My friend, when did you drop your phone? I've been calling your number.
I'm sorry now, I left it in the room. I'm preparing food for Mama. She says she wants to eat vegetable and yam.
So how is she?
She's fine.
Hope she's getting better.
She's getting better. See, Uju, I really want to thank you for all your help. Thank you so much.
Stop! Can you just stop?
Thank you so much.
Stop! Onye, you're my friend. Okay? I'm just coming from the city.
Really?
Okay, sent me some money.
Are you serious? Hey, that guy is really trying for you.
Now God, though. Now God, my sister. So, I got you some nice skirts.
Are you so? Oh my God! Thank you so much. Thank you.
Our friends,
thank you so much too. Mama, is so happy to see you. Mama.
Where are they?
They are coming. They are very, very close.
But that was what you told me on the phone. I thought they had arrived already.
No, but I'm sure that they are coming. Papa, come.
Are you sure this is not April Fool?
No, it's not.
You disturbed my meeting.
It's not.
Is that why you people are outside? Go inside.
No, I think they are here. I think they are here. Let me get the gate. Let me just get the gate. I think they are here.
Every noise will sound so genuine to you. Maybe I'm drunk, so you may get in you. Really?
Yeah, very good. Yes.
Lisa.
Yeah, good day.
This is my father. Papa, this is
Major
Frank. Yes, Major Frank.
Major Frank, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
And this is my junior sister.
Okay, how do you do?
Ladies,
Well, I actually decided to surprise you, sir.
Sir?
I said I decided to surprise you.
Okay, well, that is, I'm surprised myself. You know, that is something that any man can surprise me with, where my daughter is concerned. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Kitchen.
Okay.
Please come in. Hey! Come in, come inside.
Yeah, we're all right, sir. Thank you, sir. We're okay here, sir.
Thank you, sir. You want to hang here?
No, fine, sir.
Okay, this is the telephone. Welcome. everybody go say, in blind, he no see this one.
See, call that thing well. Since they said they're not go here, stop work, they're not here. If they see his thing, let me see how they will comply.
Wow, man, you still need gum?
No, come here.
Okay.
Hey, come on, stop that. Hey, you know they here. What is this one? Come on, look at that thing. Who they talk?
You know they here, move that thing.
Come.
See, make you move that thing, you know they talk. Ah, who be on this one?
You know they here.
Come, no, come on. No, talk. Tell them make you no come out.
What will happen? Come.
You come out.
See, wait. You know who put that in? Huh?
Come, wait. Shibi we don't want una make una do this nonsense for my area. As who? No, you want us as who? Una want know what we go free do?
What do you do?
No. What una want do?
Hey, don't talk anyhow. Don't just open your mouth anyhow for here.
If I talk anyhow.
Because when you talk anyhow, I will give you anyhow right now.
Hey,
as you done so.
Come and see something.
Come. You know see Igwe no days about all this things you do for this town.
Now you be assistant Igwe. Come, go slap there now.
No use your mouth.
Shut up your mouth.
I tell you, no use your mouth for me.
Now you be the Igwe.
No, don't use your mouth for me. Because I go don't use you. No.
No, wait. See all these small boys of yesterday.
Who is small boys?
Where do I be before?
Hey! No, just use your mouth. I said make you don't whine mouth from you. No whine them here, no swear.
Wait. Let's say you know they fear me. You don't fear this guy.
This one?
You know who this guy be?
This one? This. What now offense I do? Yeah, Bele?
I agree now. Let's say you don't get respect from me. But you don't fear this guy. With the here so.
They never know anything.
You don't know this guy.
When I don't know anything.
This one.
Now maybe this one.
I say this one are beans. These are beans. You nothing. I know they fear you. I said I know they fear you. I know they fear you. Hey.
Okay, do your worst.
Hey.
Do your worst now. Don't be shouting. Hey.
How do you fear you?
It be like say the trouble we una dey find una go say am here now. I go show una correct trouble. See as I dey look the two of una, if them born your father, if them born your grandfather, in short una great grandfather, if them born them well, as I dey talk to you now, touch am.
I swear. Go my body now. Touch down. Touch down. Everywhere. If you go over this. Go. You still not touch down. Touch down. I say them born your father. Touch down. No. Leave him first.
No worry. Like say this guys una dey find trouble now. Correct trouble now. I go show una. I go show una wetin dey. See, this one no be mouth. You know say if iron touch iron, one if them born your father well. Touch him again as I dey see you now.
My father. You the Chris?
Joko, touch this man.
Nobody make it touch you.
Touch.
You say what? Go.
You cool down now.
Go. See. You don't believe me again.
You know Chris? Wait. Tell me what I do. Punch your bag.
Wait. Oh yeah. Shebi they make mouth things. If they make mouth things,
talk am.
If them pull your father now, touch him.
Yeah. They let me touch you.
No,
you know the person.
They no fit touch me now. They know.
You know the person.
They no fit touch me. They know. Leave this guy. I want to teach them lesson.
Now me want to fight. See, if you don't need to stop anybody, give up. You know Chris?
Make a time again.
Touch him.
Make a time again now.
Touch him again. Touch him.
Touch him. Make a time again. See.
Touch him. Move here, woman.
I don't care.
Touch him.
Go there gun now. Go there gun.
Okay, now that one I want to do. I go show you something now. If they're born now, I'm going to wait.
Let them sit up. Wait till you want to talk. What do you want to do again?
I come make up something. No, let them go.
No, go in the room. No, let them go.
That's why they come. Follow the way down.
You know this guy
now. Idiot.
No, use the mouth now.
Hey! Animal.
The fall. Sit there. Daga. Yeah? See, look at you. Where your guy now?
Bastard.
Where your guy?
Fire handle me. Now for we?
What did you find? What? No, what did they find? What did they look for?
Why they know this?
Leave am, Joko. I say what did they look for?
For this place. Oh, this one now for we? Come on, move.
You won't try us?
Move. Look at move.
You won't try us?
Move.
Come on. Run. Move.
You are father.
Joko go live long.
Joko and Danga. Now we get this down. Now we get this down. The man tired again. We this time give a level for the man. Sit out there. You know, if there were to be any problem.